Nationwide studies are showing distinct connections between arts and healing. Nearly half of the nation's healthcare institutions are now offering various arts programs for patients, families, and staff to help reduce anxiety and promote well-being. King 5 and ArtsFund are proud to spend this week sharing the stories behind the statistics.
Here now is the Frye Art Museum's free arts engagement program for people living with dementia and their care partners. It's very much celebrating being in the moment, so there is no need to draw on short-term memory or art historical information.
Currently, there's an enormous number of people, I think it's something like 95,000, 97,000 in Washington State alone, who are living with dementia. And there's a very urgent need that has to be addressed.
As Barbara and I go through this process, we've found that our world keeps getting smaller and smaller. It's harder to find comfortable places for us both to go and interact. And the Frye provides first fine, pictures and other installations to look at. Secondly, it's a very supportive group where we all feel comfortable expressing our views, and we carry home a lot of memories and kind of rekindle related things through these programs.
We're a free art museum, so that means that we don't have income through admissions. ArtsFund has been a key partner for us.
Writing poetry is an incredibly empowering act, and I feel like that's something that children experience, whether it's in the schools that we work at or in Children's Hospital. So we've been at Children's for 6 years, and we reach about 300 kids each year. The poem gives a little bit of, I would say, a capsule. It's kind of a frame for kids to be able to explore their thoughts and feelings, and anything from really fun and imaginative, playful content to something more direct about their health experience that they're going through.
It was a very, emotional time for me. I was I just gotten diagnosed with cancer, and I just looked out from my hospital room and I just how did I get here, And that kind of put that into words.
Thanks to funders like ArtsFund, we can do this work.
Jack Straw Cultural Center's Blind Youth Audio Project offers blind and visually impaired students the ability to take part in creative programs.
It's a really rare opportunity for young people to get exposure to a professional recording studio. But also for these kids, it's a chance to kind of test out some things. For a lot of them, they've never been in front of a microphone, they've never had the chance to record or perform with other people, and it's also just a great social experience for a lot of these kids.
And it really focuses on one's abilities and not on any challenges that you might have at that point.
ArtsFund is a really wonderful organization, and we're really happy to work with them because not only do they help us with financial support, but the staff is great, and they come up with a variety of different opportunities.
This is a dance class, a real dance class that you would see in any studio in America for people living with Parkinson's disease.
All of us have bodies that are not working the way that they ought to.
For Paul Fussell, Parkinson's began as a tremor in his hand 2.5 years ago. But like other dancers in today's class, he is reclaiming balance, flexibility, and coordination through well-choreographed moves. Through the art of creative dance comes emotional and physical healing, along with a strengthening of community.
And what we find is in the process of their movement, they become bigger than the symptoms that they have.
Sometimes playing with fire can heal. In 2013, Tacoma's Museum of Glass brought free flame working and glass blowing classes to soldiers at Joint Base Lewis McChord through Hot Shop Heroes.
With the very first class, I was able to capture that, awaken that joy, that childlike joy that I'd lost since I came back from Iraq when I was 7.
We have found that it's highly therapeutic. Independent evaluation has really said that it really helps with post-traumatic stress disorder and brain injuries.
With my injury, it's taught me that I can go past what I thought.
If I could keep doing this, I would. I would love to keep glass blowing.
ArtsFund has been a wonderful partner with us for over 10 years. They have been steadfast in their loyalty to the Museum of Glass.
And support for ArtsFund means this iconic hot shop can continue to heal the men and women who truly face the fire, protecting our country.